Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. I'm Joany and I'll be teaching some hip drops and circular movement in this little practice. If you have any problems with some of the movements, there is a complete beginner series. If you're totally new to this, welcome, and I'm happy you're here. But if you do have some difficulty, there is a complete beginner series where I really break down the movement. And then for those of you who've been following me for a while, welcome back, and let's get started. All right, let's start with deep breath in up. As you bring your arms up, I want you to relax, breathe out, and bring the arms on the shoulder blades. Just let it sit on the shoulder blade. And now I want you to bring your weight mostly on the arch of your feet. Okay, keep your sternum up. Soften the knees a little bit. Do not lock the knees off. And a little pelvis tucked in. Good. So we're going to start with the hip drops. Hands on the hip. I want you to feel the movement going down by flexing the right knee and then switch. Ba, 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 ba. So we're going to follow a maximum rhythm, really simple 4/4 rhythm. And we're going to drop on the doom. And then we're going to lift on the tags. Doom, tack, doom, tack, tack, doom, tack, doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. Good. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. So this is your basic pose position, hip drop. And now let's do basic pose position, chest drop. When you do your chest, you want to use the muscles right here in the traps. You're going to lift first and drop. Okay? Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Lift, drop. Notice I'm dropping on the dooms again. And drop. Lift, drop. Lift, doom, tack, doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. Drop, lift, drop. Lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, doom, tack, tack, doom, tack, doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. Excellent. Now let's go into our classical pose, okay? And we're going to start with the lift first and drops on the doom. Doom, tack, tack, doom. Tack. So usually the arm, now the music is going to go a bit faster. Doom, tack. So the arm that is with the standing leg, that's where the arm I usually bring up, and the other one could go here, down here. So notice I'm dropping on the dooms. Let's switch. Doom, switch. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. Drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift. So these are your linear movements, okay? It's going up and down. Now let's go into our circular movement. All right, we're gonna do our medium circle, going to the right, slide, and front, left, and back. And then it's right, front, hold, left. We're gonna switch, front, left, back, front. Sorry, this is your right, my left. So let's go to your slide to the right, and then go forward, left, back, right, forward, hold. Now let's go the other way. Forward, right, back, left, forward, right, and hold. So one full circle, half circle, and switch. So you're going forward twice, back once. Forward, then you hold and switch. So you're doing one full circle, pelvis circle, into a half circle, hold to the side and switch. Forward, back, and forward, hold. Forward, side, back, side, forward, hold. Forward, side, back, side, forward, hold. Okay, now Maya, vertical figure eight. We're gonna go up, slide down, and 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 up, slide down. Lift, slide, lift. So you're looping your hip up and over. Vertical figure eight. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack. So I'm kind of bringing my doom up and then roll down. Doom, roll down and up, roll down and up, roll down. Good. Now we're going to put this all together. We're going to go into a classical hip drop. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack, tack, switch, and drop, drop, lift, drop, lift. Let's go slow. Drop, lift, drop, lift, drop, lift. Good. Now for those who are a bit more advanced, you could kick on every second drop. Drop, lift, kick, lift. Drop, lift, kick, lift. Drop, lift, kick, lift. Now chest drop. All right, so now I want you to put the weight on your left side and let's do 1.5 circles. Slide forward, side, back. And switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold. Doom, tack, tack, doom, tack, and hold. Forward, back, forward, hold. One more. Forward, back, forward. Now Maya. Up and down. That's it. Slide over, loop, loop those hips, up and over. Classical polka, doom, 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 lift, doom, lift, doom, lift, doom, lift, doom, lift, and switch. Doom, lift, doom, lift, doom, lift, doom, lift. One more. Chest drop. All right, a bit faster. And now let's slide to the right, and you go front, back, front, hold. Front, back, front, hold. Front, back, front, hold. Good. Front, back, front. One more. Front, back, front. Maya. Up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over, up and over. Good. Classical hip drop. And switch. Chest drop. Slide and circle. We go. Front, back, front, hold. 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 Good. One more to the left. Maya, up and over. Soft knees. You could be playful. Good job. So this little routine, you could practice and practice working the linear and the circular movement. So there was only 2 linear, which is your classical hip drop and your chest hip drop. And then you had your circle and then your vertical figure 8. Hope you enjoy that. Have a wonderful week. Mwah. See you next time. Bye-bye. Happy dancing.